Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 25th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. This is actually not your channel messages. This is your pick a card reading, Virgo, because I know sometimes you don't like to make up your mind because every decision is not good enough for you. So apparently we had to prepare the decisions for you, bring in front of your face and tell you to choose the best one. Before we go into your channel song, Virgo, you have our channel messages. I'm getting Virgo, the audition process is going to take 3 years. I'm getting something I'm getting the next big ass thing, the next big thing. The audition process is going to take 3 years. I'm also getting Virgo, if you're going to play a role, I'm getting this as the last role you're ever play. Now, meaning this role, the movie going to be so big that you will never ever come in another movie because your casting type has basically been imprinted. You can't get hired in no other movie, no other production because the movie was so big. It's like you cannot get away from the image. If that's not it, Virgo, then we're getting after you do this movie, you're going past, Virgo. This is the last role you'll ever play. I'm getting a movie you're currently working on now. I don't even want to think about it, Virgo. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the movie. I don't even want to think about it, to be honest. But I'm getting is the last movie, this last character you'll ever play, Virgo. So play it well. It reminds me like of what Chad Baldwin. Remember Chad Baldwin? What he played Wakanda Forever, and then him died. He never even see the fruits of all of that labor. Nevertheless, Virgo, here is your song. Virgo. 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 Put it some more. Virgo, my life has never been the same. Boy, you came and changed way I walk, way I talk. I cannot explain the things I do for you. Boy, you know it's true. You stand by me, feel my dream. I'll be all you need. Ooh, it feels so right. Boy, I've searched the perfect love all of my life. Ooh, it feels like I finally found her perfect love of my life, of my Virgo. You rock my world. You rock my world, you know. Shamona. In time, I knew your love would bring this happiness I'm in. I tried to keep my sanity. I waited perfectly. Boy, you know it seems my life is so complete. Our love is true because of you. Keep doing what you do. Feels so right. Boy, I found the perfect love of my life. Ooh, it feels that I found the perfect guy of my life, of my You rock my world, you know you did the way that no one again. And there is nothing we can find the one that you become my Jesus Christ, why am I deciding to sweat? It's like 6:19 in the morning. God knows where. Shamona. Okay, Virgo, let us go ahead and go into your reading because we had created a energy. Virgo, let's go. This is your pick a card reading, Virgo. So we have 3 cards here. Pick the one that you believe resonates with you more, Virgo. So Virgo, choose a card. So Virgo, if this is your first card, Virgo, you're selecting the 4 of cups. So Virgo, I'm getting, I don't want it. You don't want it, Virgo. Something seems disinteresting to you. I'm getting you're like, make a better effort, or I'm guessing you're acting spoiled, Virgo. We have the 8 of Wands. Yeah, this could be somebody's trying to call you. They might call you to give you something. I'm getting you're like, I don't want it. Or I'm getting you're so upset with somebody. You're like, I don't care if you're giving me what I want. I'm still upset with you. We have the 3 of Wands. Yeah. Me getting you're not answering someone's text. You're not answering their message. Me getting someone's trying to get in contact with you. You're not answer them. Me getting you don't want to talk to them, Virgo. We have the 5 of Cups. Could be an ex. Maybe you have high expectations. You're thinking, oh, I'm going to talk back to my ex and everything going to be great. But then you're like, supposed to talk back to them and we'll start arguing again. I'm getting you're ignoring someone's calls because maybe you don't feel like someone is actually serious this time around. We have the 5 of Pentacles. Yes, somebody's just going to talk to you and abandon you. We have 55 here though. So this could be after you break up with your ex and maybe somebody abandoned you, left you homeless, or them left you without nothing. Me getting now them want to come back. But you can't come back without talking about this situation. I'm getting you can't just jump over the subject, okay? We have the King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, man. And we also have the angel, Sagittarius. So I'm getting, if this is what a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn did to you, another Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn man is kind of coming to your aid. Maybe somebody wanted to know, somebody want to know, okay, if you're not doing well right now, somebody wants to see what you're going to do when you have money. Would you go back to your ex if you have money? Like, what kind of person are you on with money? Because me getting, I don't even think you want any money because the 4 of Cups is rejecting. You're rejecting things even if you're homeless. But you don't have nowhere. You don't even got a bed to sleep on and you're rejecting my bed. Yes, sweetie, I'm rejecting spending a night with a hotel with you. I'd rather sleep in my nice shelter 311 bed. You're getting you don't want something. Maybe because you know that something is self-driven. Just because he's flashing a lot of money in your face, you don't mean he's going to spend it on you. Going around this town, you go make it abandon you when you go back to him. Oh, you loco. Oh, you loco. Okay, all right. I see. Je vois. Je vois. So your second card, Virgo. Let's just go ahead and I'm sorry, this happens to me a lot, Virgo. I'm so sorry. Which card we choose first? We don't even remember. Okay, let's go. So Virgo, if we are choosing 1 out of the 2, Virgo, let's go again, Virgo. Which card are you choosing? If we're choosing card number 2, Virgo, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So I'm getting a Taurus, a Virgo, Capricorn is in your mix, Virgo. All right. We're getting 7 of Swords. Okay, so be careful because I'm getting someone is, I don't know if them target you, them plotting on you, somebody wants to set you up, all right? So somebody plans to steal from you when you're not looking. Maybe somebody have already done this or they're accusing you of doing this. We have a 10 of Swords, yeah. Something about a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini man. He stole something from you. It could be an online bank account. We have the 3 of Pentacles, or me getting something about this job. You used to work at this job. Somebody steals something from you. Somebody could have steal like your ID number. Them steal your pass, the beep. Them steal it. Because me getting there's a workplace here, you over here, and there's 7 of Swords, 10 of Swords in the middle. Ultimate betrayal and theft. We also have the 4 of Swords. We have a Tower card and we have the 6 of Cups. Now the 4 of Swords and the 6 of Cups is the church. I tell somebody something. I was telling somebody, listen, you see in life you need to know something. Never steal from a Jew. And then the person said to me, you shouldn't steal anyways. And I'm like, yes, this is true. You're not supposed to steal anyways. But if you ever decide to steal, make sure it's not Jewish. You don't steal from a Jew. You'll curse your life. Never steal from a Jew. You don't know that? Okay, so I'm getting something about a church here. Unless money was stolen and donated to the church. When I say it was a donation, it wasn't a donation. But if the church rob you, how you gonna say more about the money? That's like a drop a $10 bill in a little girl's lemonade stand, and then you didn't know it was 10, you thought it was $1, and now you're harassing the little girl for the money now, and the little girl have all our parents and everybody saying, you're stealing from me. Remember when them do Rihanna? You remember in a white punk? A punk to the name, how them punk Rihanna, make Rihanna get the girl money, and the girl's like, why would you steal from me? Rihanna is like, listen to me, I have money, I don't need to steal it from you. So I'm getting something like that. It could be. I'm getting this other plot. The plot is we'll get her near the church or a church. I'm getting you have a lot of money. Or there's something about a church that's attached to a food bank. The church is attached to a food bank. Me getting something about you need to steal money, you don't know how to launder the money, so you donate the whole check to the church and tell the church say, when you clear the check, give me some money out of it. And everything will be hush hush. Because how you going to ask the church back for money when them thief from you? I don't know what this is, but I'm getting someone's in some deep, okay? Your final card here, so if you selected this card, Virgo, then you selected the Page of Swords. So I'm getting everything you're doing, seeing, typing, or listening to is online, Virgo. I'm getting I'm getting a dark room with a very, very bright screen in your face. We have a Knight of Cups. I'm getting you're trying to pick up somebody's location. You're trying to see if you can see where they're located, where they are. The Eight of Cups. I'm getting you went to the location you thought they were, but then tell us that them don't live there anymore. I'm getting you trying to get a location and you keep showing up to the location. I feel like every time you show up, you just miss them. Like if you just drive up, them just go inside. If you just come in the building, them just left. Me getting them just left. As you arrive, them left. Or me getting there telling you the information when the person left already. Them going to tell you where she is, but I'm not going to tell you where she is. They're going to tell you where she was. Yeah, me getting you look fair and you can't find her. I don't know who are you entrusting this in to look for this woman or to relay this information to this woman. Me getting, yeah, you can't find her. Me getting you been looking for her. Me getting the last time you see her, she did turn her back on you and she walk off and you never talk to her. Me getting you look for her, no, you can't find her. Yeah, I'm getting you looking for her. You want to help her, you want to talk to her. Me getting you cannot find her and you don't know what to do. You have the Page of Swords again 2 times. Me getting you look online, you look online, you look online, you look online. Me getting you have 2 different accounts, I look online. In case you find her and she block you, you have a second account. And we have the Page of Pentacles. I'm getting you want to invest in this woman, you want to grow with her. I don't know if this is an ex or this is a new person, but again, me getting that every single time you visit her and see her, you say, hey, I'm here. She gone, or you can't find her. Maybe this is a dream you're having, you keep a dream, so every time been getting up a dream and every single thing in your dream, the girl will leave you. She gone, you can't find her, she missing. Perhaps you and this woman broke up and at the moment you felt like it was the best thing to do, but then when she left, you said to yourself, I feel fucked up because I should have protected her. That's why you keep a dream out her. That's why you keep a dream, say every time you're with her in your dream, she's missing. And you look for her and can't find her. It's because you did not fulfill something your soul did tell you to fulfill. Which could have been maybe stopping her from leaving, maybe protecting her. But me getting you cannot get over this. Like yes, I should have helped more, I should have called, I should have text. You know what? All of this never even makes sense. But should have just said sorry. Me getting you just saying that. Okay? Let's get some of these cards and then we'll leave it here. We got meditation. We got profit. We got I was innocent. Awards and bright future. Until next time, Virgo. Bye.
Oh my God.